Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly go subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I really appreciate. Thank you always for coming to support me. We are talking live from our village home, and today it's another day. Happy weekend to each and everyone. Today we are cooking plantain. As you know, here in the village it's very much affordable and it is fresh from the garden. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Kindly like this video, share to your friends, drop that sweet comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. In the morning, the next video coming, actually do it like this. And welcome to the video. Watch until the end, guys, and don't skip the ads. So guys, we have gone over here. First, after that, I'll add the tomatoes. I add the tomatoes. I think it's enough because nowadays tomatoes are very expensive, so I will use only one. It's like this. This is my salt over here, so I'll add my salt. After that we start again. I'll add my rice. Where's the rice? It's over here. Now I add my rice. This one you're gonna cook it maybe for lunch or for breakfast. Friends, there's some people who do breakfast and it goes over for the whole lunch, like, and there you save like your money you are using, you guys. It is like a go lunch, like the whole day, like breakfast. You're gonna serve breakfast and for and the whole day for lunch also, and then we start. You see? I'm gonna call it say banana rice. Banana rice. After that I'll add my water. I'll add my water now. And you should know that the water should be over the meal, like bring the camera close. Should be over, the soup should be over like this, you see. So it is ready for this one over here. We shall leave it to cook. So, and I love to cover. Let me fill the salt first. The salt is not enough. We add another salt, a little bit of it, and then we start. As for my food, guys, and it's just a simple lunch. If you are at the village, guys, you just need like a lot of things to do to cook such a kind of food. So let me know in the comment section, guys, have you cooked it like this? Just the rice and matoke. This was usually being eaten at like lunch hours. If you have children, you know you cannot look for vegetables. You cook ugali like in the afternoon and for lunch and the evening. So we cover it and we leave it to get cooking. We give it some time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, watch this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kindly don't skip the ads, because if you skip the ads, so please don't skip the ads. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much. Let's continue supporting each other and continue praying to each other. Wow. Let me clear the place first, and then we shall continue talking. So guys, let's just check how is it going? How is it going? Wow. This is so lovely. My mom cooked this long time ago when my late mom cooked this. long time ago when she was alive. When we were kids, we used to enjoy mom's food. Because by the time, you know, even if mommy cooks any food, may it be nice, may it be bad, you just say, mommy, the food was nice. So guys, this is it. I think the food is ready. You see, it has some bubbles here. And maybe I can imagine how it came out. It's so lovely, and I really appreciate it. Guys, drop that comment what you think about the food. It's so lovely, guys. Wow. You can have this one with tea or with coffee. It prefers on what you want to eat with. Wow. You know, even the fire is just down because I wanted just to cook so slowly. That's why I am not pushing the fire just inside like that. Wow. My avocados. So guys, we are serving the food. And always, as you know, as from the village, you cannot eat without avocado. Is it? Eh? I'm asking that there is some people behind. So people cannot eat without avocado. It's like you don't have life. So the energy for your food is just the avocado. It gives you the energy, gives you everything, like you feel like all the days of your life. Please don't forget to eat with avocado. So after this, bring the closer. After guys, you have for Saturday food, you garnish with your onion like this. That's spring onion, guys. All that. That's the village talks now. So guys, let's pray for food is yummy and it is ready. So guys, let's pray for the food so that we're gonna say, Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for the love, we thank you for the food. May you praise this meal. In Jesus' name and mighty name I pray and believe. Amen. Wow, very lovely, tasty. You know, all this brings the flavor of the food and the taste is yummy. So guys, let me enjoy my food. God bless you. God bless Kenya. Let's continue praying with each other. And I really appreciate the love always. Please don't forget to subscribe. Sit down. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Drop that sweet comment down below how you think about this video here, and leave a comment down below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. I love you all. Ciao ciao. Bye.